You've been wanting to write that book you know will impact lives for a long time. And yet you keep telling yourself, well, I'll do it after I get all these other things done first. Maybe it's business things, or maybe it's personal things, or just life circumstances, or stuff with your family, or whatever. But the thing that you don't realize is that the book is actually a key factor in accomplishing many of those things. I'm Katelyn Silva, and I'm the founder of We Write Books. I help Christian women to write and publish their bestseller and use that for impact, authority, and ultimately accomplishing their God-given purpose through the book. So what do I mean by the book is a key factor in all of those things? Well, in business, your book is actually an enormous tool for growing your audience, building connections, establishing know, like, and trust factor. Your book itself becomes a funnel that leads people into your business and connects your clients with you as a business owner, invites them to further engage with you and other things that you offer. So a book is an enormous tool, not to mention the authority piece for getting on stages, speaking, getting on podcasts. So all of those things go hand in hand with using your book as a tool for opportunity and for growth. If it's more personal, such as maybe you're writing a fiction series, or you're working on something that relates to your family, or something that you're going through right now, what you don't realize is that by writing the book and by exploring that experience, that journey, you are going to not just be writing a book, you're going to be writing something that provides a transformational experience for you and also for the people in your life, because there are ripple effects that you don't even realize God is going to use through the book, or he's going to use the book through you in order to have that for others around you. And there's so many different nuances, right? There's things that I can't necessarily say, oh, this is specifically going to happen, or that specifically is going to happen. But I do know that by pursuing the book and by taking those next steps, by going through that journey, it is absolutely one of transformation and growth and healing that you never anticipated. And it can be challenging, it can be messy, it can be so many other unanticipated things as well, which is why having that support through that and overcoming those hurdles is so key. But at the same time, by you continuing to put it off in some regard, it's also preventing that journey of transformation and healing that you really need for yourself and also for others. And so I just really want to challenge and push you. If you know that you need to write this book and it's a key piece of what you're trying to accomplish for that bigger vision or that bigger purpose that you know is part of your life, take the next step. Don't put it off for someday when, because none of us know how much time that even is going to be, right? It's better to start taking those steps, taking those small actions now, and doing what you can with the time that you've been given. If you're not sure exactly how to go ahead and start taking those steps, I would love to invite you to my brand new live training that's actually coming up. And I will be talking about how you can actually write and publish your best-selling book in 6 months or less, starting right now. And it's already July, so this year is halfway gone. So if you, at the beginning of the year, said to yourself, you know what, I'm going to publish this year, it's not too late. And maybe you're looking at it right now thinking, oh my goodness, the year's halfway gone. Like, I don't know if I'm going to make it this year. You can, and I want to show you how. So go below in the description and click on the link, or you can also go to wewritebooks.com/write-bestseller-event, and you can snag your free ticket to join the event. And I would look forward to seeing you inside, teaching you how you can start taking those next steps, and ultimately cheering for you as you pursue writing and publishing your bestseller this year. So with that, I hope to see you on the training, and just remember that your book can change a life.